Good morning. It's another beautiful day. We're ready to get to work. We have, let's call it 2.5 jobs. First, we got a 2020 Nissan Pathfinder. We need to do the brakes in all 4 corners. That's about 40 minutes away because of the traffic this morning. It's in Doral, not too far. Then an AC diagnosis on a Mazda 3, I forget what year. Owner thinks it's a compressor. I need to see it first to verify, and we'll go from there. Then the 21 Volkswagen Tiguan that I replaced the cooling fan yesterday. There was also an electrical problem I fixed. Customer said he was driving it around for about an hour and then it overheated again. So I don't know what happened. I initially thought that he had overheated a few days before, which is why I had to replace the cooling fan. So the first thing that came to my mind was that maybe the thermostat got damaged the first time he overheated and it got stuck closed or something, but that doesn't sound likely since he was driving around for an hour before the car overheated. More likely the electrical issue I fixed kind of way out or something, so I'm gonna have to go check that out. Again, obviously I'm not gonna charge him because it has to do with the work I already did yesterday. So, you know, we're on our way now. It's a great day to have a great day. Please like and subscribe, and let's get to work. We are now about 5 minutes away from the Nissan Pathfinder. Owner purchased his own brakes. I really hope they're the right ones, so I didn't drive over here for nothing. But yeah, now we're really gonna get to work. Let's go.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning, I feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flying through space till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What a dry smell, dream when the end feels shame. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that would run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with troops. Ain't no inches in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in a vinyl set. Talk slow when I speak, let the moment stretch. Learn peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift. But the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. What a healing don't shout, but it still got hope. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back.
Damn, no, who fucking tightened that shit?
I've been going out of
Who
my
tightened this to hell?
for us, and I'm not okay. The sun ain't gonna shine all day. Can't wait to see it on your face. Girl, you know, gotta do better than walking out and dodging the surface. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. All of the weather we do promise it's worth it. Ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby, I'm certain. Ay. I want it all, we come in it's a coupe, and we gon' bring it right back. Tell him, man, you know I'm suited, ay. But I ain't never gon' slack. I had to study the map, I had to find where I'm at. The legend, a symbol of that. Symbols, I ain't gonna crash. Catch me in the cat hunt. Something like the dog hunt. I ain't coming with nothing. I know what they want from it. I can spot the fake loving. Rolling up the gates on it. Ain't no debating on it. They got legs like K-Honey. Usher, I'm skate on the beat. I done seen the play cross the feet. God drive like 6 V's. Flow seat, give me 6 feet. Mountain climbing out to hit a peak. Bunch of snow in my seat, it ain't the same no more. Life is everything but a beach like a chain. I'm a lean with your lady for sure. Gotta do better than walking out and dodging the surface. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, I promise it's worth it. Ay. Open the curtains. Baby, I'm
All done with the Nissan Pathfinder brakes. Went pretty smoothly. Customer was a real cool guy. He was an older Hispanic dude. He saw me working on a car one time and then asked for my number, said he needed these done, and yeah, everything went well. I've been here probably about an hour, not too long, so we were decently efficient. Now we're gonna go diagnose that Mazda 3's AC. This is a client of mine I've had for a while, but yeah, let's get on the road. We're about 2 minutes away from the Mazda 3 with the AC problems. Let's get back to work. Just finished with the Mazda 3. It's a 2021 Mazda 3 with the AC problem. So the customer thought it was the AC compressor. Apparently his friends told him that that's what it was. And technically they weren't wrong, but there's nothing wrong with the AC compressor. So what happens is when the car is stationary or cold, the AC works perfectly fine. The AC compressor kicks in. Literally nothing wrong with it. It doesn't have a leak, anything like that. The only real problem is once the car gets to temperature, in a high ambient temperature, like we have here in Miami pretty much all the time, this car doesn't do it by relay, it does it by straight through the computer. The car turns off the AC compressor to reduce load. I think most cars do that. The only problem is that it then fails to turn it back on. And this is a software problem. It's not a hardware problem. So Mazda has a technical service bulletin on exactly this problem, and all that needs to happen is the software needs to be updated. Usually my scanner has capabilities of upgrading, but for some cars it doesn't, and this is one of those cars that it doesn't have capabilities to program or update. So I told him he would have to take it to the Mazda dealer and they would update it for him. I'm not sure if they'll probably charge him a diagnostic fee and then whatever it is to perform the update. Hopefully he can get past the diagnostic fee somehow. I'm not sure, but I'm very confident that that's the problem and that should fix it. It's to the T exactly what the technical service bulletin describes. Now we're headed to meet up with my dad because I have some tail lights for his work van here, and then we're gonna go to that 21 Volkswagen Tiguan. Let's hit the road. Got some goodies to help with what I suspect is the problem in the Tiguan. So I spoke to my dad about what's happening with the Tiguan, and we kind of both came to the same conclusion that it's probably it's not an inline fuse, it's the metal fuse in the fuse block that connects to the cooling fan, and that's what was the problem originally. I kind of fixed it, but I guess the fix was temporary. There might be other things. You're going way too fast in the parking lot. That's why I'm thinking the guy hit a bump or something and it opened the circuit again. If that's it, I have exactly what we need to fix it right here. If not, I'll diagnose exactly what the problem is and we'll go from there. Let's get back on the road. We should be there in about 15 minutes. Let's go. just got done with that 21 Volkswagen Tiguan. I added an inline fuse and just bypassed the fuse that goes in the fuse box. It's not a regular fuse. It's one of those fuses that once it breaks, you have to replace the entire fuse box. So I just ran a wire directly to 12 volt. And it was a 50 amp fuse. I added a 50 amp fuse, tied it back to the original line that goes to the coolant fan, and good to go. Everything worked perfectly. I tried to make it as neat as possible, make it look near OEM, you know. So now we're finally done for the day. It's about 2 p.m. I can make it to class. I have my first class today. School starts today. I go to FIU. I'm a computer engineering major, and my first class starts today at 4. So yeah, we finished right on time. It was a pretty good day. All things considered, things went smoothly, and I'm happy to be done, happy to have time to go home and eat lunch before class and shower, so I don't have to look like a homeless man when I show up the first day of school. I probably will look like a homeless man many other days throughout the school year, depending on the time I finish work. Those days I have class, but we don't have to deal with that today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a good one.